everybody. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I have a really fun project to share with you. If you're new to my channel, I just want to say welcome and thank you so much for clicking on this video. We are in the middle of my craft fair series, and I believe this is idea number 13. So if you missed any of the previous ideas and you'd like to check them out, I'll link them right up here for you, as well as at the end and down in the description. So again, those of you that are new, my name is Amber. I love to do paper crafting projects. I love to use up the things that I have in my stash and create fun, easy, simple, quick, mass-produce worthy craft fair projects. So that's what I'm going to be showing you today. I also really want to thank those of you who have been longtime subscribers. You just mean so much to me as well. Thank you so much for your support. So let's jump right into this project. This is another project that my sister Bree took one of my tutorials and created some really beautiful, I think we're calling them brag books. So these were made with just cardstock or cards, like actual cards that you can buy from the store. The craft stores have card sets with like envelopes. You can make these albums using those card sets. It's so easy and so satisfying because you get to use up and showcase so much of your beautiful paper. So I have been making this style album for seriously years and years. I made a bunch of Christmas ones for my craft fair about 4 years ago or 5 years ago, maybe several years ago. And I was initially inspired to make these by the amazingly talented Tmika, and she is here on YouTube as well. Her channel is called Scrap the World. I'm going to link her channel below because she has some incredible projects. She's one of the most talented crafters here on YouTube. I've learned so much from her. She does craft fair stuff as well, so make sure you check out her channel. She initially made these with some file folders, and she was like slamming so many of these out. Oh my gosh, it was amazing. So I'm going to link her channel below so you can check out her incredible work. But let's go ahead and get started on this video here where we're going to show you all of the brag books that Bree made. So she kind of showed you that cute LOL one right now with the Hobby Lobby paper, and this one that she is showing you is my absolute favorite. It is the cutest size. It fits right in the palm of your hand, and she actually made this as leftovers from some 8.5 by 11 cardstock that she cut down for one of the other ones that you see, that Christmas horizontal one that you see in the background. This was the leftover cardstock from that, and she just made the cutest size. Like you could put like Instagram pictures on this one, I think. So you can take any size cardstock that you have, fold it in half like a card, make a bunch of them. Don't worry, I have a full tutorial. It's already on my channel. All you have to do is wait to the end of the video and click the link that I leave on the screen at the end, or you can go in the description below and I'll leave it there as well. So let's get started in showing you all the ones that Bree made with all the beautiful paper. And I'm going to set this to music so you can get super cozy and relaxed. Get your tea, your coffee, get a cozy blanket, and just relax and enjoy. So I hope you enjoyed watching Bree flip through these really adorable brag books that she made using my very simple tutorial. Again, that tutorial is going to be linked at the end of this video and in the description box. So you can just click the link and it'll take you right to that really simple tutorial. And you can really take this and use any paper, use it for any occasion, your craft fair, do it for little handmade Christmas gifts. You can embellish this however you want. But the idea for these is just to take double-sided tape. You know, for somebody that's not a crafter, they could just take double-sided tape and just put pictures all through the beautiful pages and have themselves a really cute brag book. You could even do this for your friends and family and give it to them as Christmas gifts. It would just be so fun. For the pricing on these cute little brag books, we're going to be charging $5 each. I plan on making some as well because I absolutely love making these. It's a great way to showcase the beautiful scrapbook paper. So I hope to make a bunch of these before the craft fair. And again, we're going to be charging $5 each, no matter what size, big or small, $5 each. I hope that you enjoyed this video. A big thank you to my sister Bree for once again sharing her beautiful crafts with us here on my channel. She did a great job on these brag books, and I would love to encourage you to go over and follow my Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. Here's my handle name, because I'm doing a really fun giveaway over there right now. You can win some fun holiday stuff. And speaking of giveaway, I am going to be giving away my absolute favorite Christmas collection from this year. It's new this year. I'm going to leave it as a surprise, but I'm going to be giving it away on my channel along with some other goodies from me to thank you all so much for your incredible support. I'm sorry I can't give everybody a prize package, but if I could, I would. So keep your eyes open for that giveaway. It's going to be here on my YouTube channel. And again, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And I'll see you in my next craft fair idea video. Bye!